Hello friends, in this video we'll see how to verify the product original or fake. Let's see how we can verify the products, verify or fake. You see, this is the Boya microphone mic, a recording mic. You can very professional type BY-M1 Boya microphone. You can record your sound for video or any other purpose very well. It's a very professional low budget product. It's fine, and I am personally recommend this device if you want to record your sound voice. Let's see how to verify this, it's original or fake. You see the one sticker in this, just arrow. I pick up the sticker, and under the sticker there is another QR code. This is the original QR code for verification. Let's see how to check it. I use a scanner on my phone and scan the only scan this code for verification. Okay, that is a link. I just Google search the link and see, going the Boya website and verify the link. Just inquiry. Okay, this is here's the product original or fake. You can, I am already give a verification, it's original product, so second time it's see the already has been verified. You see the time and duration when I use and after this video. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to buy this, you can, I have put the description box link in the description box. Thank you for watching this video.